watching Natish21. What up everyone, it's your boy Natish21 and back with another video. Today we got a little bit of a special and we're still here in California, and if you guys have seen the previous videos, we did take this thing out to a crazy car meet, but today I'm gonna get to drive this thing and really see how it is. And of course we got the top down. This is a Ferrari 355 F1 GTS, and of course it's got the automated manual gearbox, so disgusting pause and that shifts, which makes it sound so damn good. And we're gonna hear the car a lot better today because of course he's got the top down. So let's take this thing for a quick drive. Let's see how it is. There you go. Picked it up quick, dude. Yeah, I hope I'm timing the downshifts right, because I actually have to blip, so
takes a little bit of practice.
Yeah, I mean, downshifts into first are tricky no matter what car you.
I don't ever honestly go to first until I'm stopped.
Okay.
It's just fucking.
Yeah. It really starts to sing up top. I can hear the tone change too.
Yeah, right?
What's the
valve open?
Yeah. You usually take it high RPM, like
right after about 4,500 RPM, the valve opens.
Okay.
Cab bypass.
Okay. Wow.
Cable airport is like right here. So hold both. There you go.
Okay, neutral.
And then you'll just go into first. So leaving it in first at a stop stresses the clutch.
Okay, got it. Guys, look at these pedals set up in this thing. Off to the side. Good.
There you go.
That tone change is beautiful. God damn. I've driven the Gallardo, but this is just something different, bro.
It's different, right?
Yeah, it's so different. God damn.
And this is much older than a Gallardo.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh.
Perfect. There you go. Got it. Fucking perfect.
Oh my God. Yo, that high RPM tone is so,
At 7, it almost wakes up.
Yeah, that's what I was saying when I said high RPM. I wasn't even talking about the 45. I felt that at like 7. What is it? What does it go to?
85.
85, okay.
Deal.
Yeah.
That's why I wanted a GTS. I was like,
yeah,
I'm not tracking this car.
Exactly. Just cruise around.
So why would I fucking care about a couple tenths of a second with a Berlinetta? That's why I laugh at these wannabe purists, bro.
Yeah.
They're like, it has to be a Berlinetta. It has to be gated. I'm like, you're an idiot.
Oh, that's why. Yeah.
Like, you're a fucking idiot, dude.
No, I like this.
My car has the looks of the Berlinetta with the fucking fun of the roof off.
Yeah.
What more would I want?
So the other one doesn't come with a roof off?
No.
Okay.
It's just a straight hardtop. But
Right.
if you stacked them side by side, you couldn't tell the difference.
Oh my god, that was fantastic.
Did it?
amazing in the
Feels like a go-kart.
Yeah, it felt like just that loaded up feeling. So everything felt heavy, bro. You just like in it. It's fantastic.
But planted.
Yeah, planted as hell, yeah. And then the tone through that tunnel. Oh.
Bitching. It brings you
I love that.
car, right?
I love that. I love that.
It makes it like you're driving.
You're driving it, yeah. You're not just sitting there like blipping off shifts. You're actually like driving the car.
It's fucking awesome. It totally adds to the connected experience. And that people are like, it needs to be a gate. No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't need to be a gate.
This is bitching.
Yeah. When you can actually like hear that pause in between the shifts too, like with it. I like that. I like that.
It's a manual.
Do you drive a DCT car?
I hate it.
Nah, this is shit. I can't do that.
And then it's just boom, boom, boom.
Yeah.
It's like, all right, cool, dude. Cool.
Yeah.
It does everything for me. I don't need to do shit. That's not cool.
Yeah.
And all you're talking to me about is lap times. Fuck off, dude.
Fantastic.
Right up the next line. Right?
Hold on. I'm gonna echo this off the wall here. Oh.
That, my friend, is where you need to start learning to left foot brake.
Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah,
now it becomes a
exactly. Yeah, because I'm just used to like rump, I'm back on the brake, rump, and the back on the. That's how I drive manual 90% of the time, right?
The amount of car balance and control you'll learn when you start left foot braking, the limit you can push into a corner and balance the car and dance it out is nuts.
Okay, that's interesting.
Literally, I remember at Auto Club Speedway in Fontana, I literally shaved 3 seconds a lap.
No way.
Yep. It's an 18 corner course. Think about how much that allowed me. Was that almost half a? No, it's like 3/10 of a second per corner that I was able to get faster and faster.
That's insane. Next time I take the M3 out, I'm gonna start trying that.
Just be very careful.
It's
when
tricky.
You're learning, it's hard. I would do this.
The thing is, I brake boost in the Infiniti, so I had to learn that the hard way. Remember, right?
You already got
yeah.
it.
So the first time I tried brake boost in the car, I was like, oh shit, that doesn't work.
I had no feeling, dude.
Yeah, exactly same. It's like you didn't know how to use that pedal at all.
But
and
karting helped me.
Oh yeah, karting's left foot brake. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
But karting, there's no finesse. It's just
yeah.
You know,
get in the corner, throw it in.
Yeah, and you're hard. Everything is thrust.
Yeah.
You know what's awesome? I don't know if you noticed this or not. I see your left leg looking for the clutch when you come to stop.
Really? Yeah. I was like, oh shit. Okay.
That's awesome.
Bro, I need a car like that has this kind of tone, man.
See, is it about horsepower numbers?
No, it's never about. Your Porsche and this Ferrari showed me that.
It's not about fucking numbers.
Bro, what does a Porsche make horsepower?
Oh man, like 325?
Oh my god, it felt like close to 400 on the mountain pass. Like I wouldn't have. You would have.
Weight.
Right?
Yep.
Like you would have fooled me if I didn't.
Power to weight, gearing is everything.
Yeah.
Power to weight, gearing, power band.
Yeah.
That's it, dude.
Bro, like,
no one cares about I dusted you at the light.
No, it's garbage.
So what,
it's garbage.
Bro? That's why I tease people. They're like, oh, the 355 is not fast. I'm like, bro, I'm banging your chick before the light turns red. It's over. They hear the sound and it's fucking...
Yeah, bro, it doesn't matter. No, but like on the mountain pass, the first thing I realized, I'm like, the corners come up so quick from one to the next that you... First of all, we never needed third gear. We were talking about that.
Yeah, no.
And then I'm in second the whole time. And on top of that, it's just, you bang out of one corner, you're in the next. There's no time to even, and you're able to, the power, the response is there, so you can jump from one corner to the next, but that's enough power, that's all you need.
Again, the layout of the car allows you to brake so deep on approach.
Yeah.
And then get on the power so quick because of that rear weight kind of bias.
Right,
it's
right.
incredible.
If you guys haven't already seen the video with the Porsche, I took the 911 Carrera 4S on a mountain pass here in Cali, and it was sensational. You guys really need to check that out. So make sure you watch one of the previous videos where we took out the 911 and gave it a little bit of a thrashing on the mountain. It's responded phenomenally. And of course, the beauty of this is you can change the entire look of the car slightly by just putting the roof back on. Go ahead, throw it on. What a gorgeous car, my God. You know, it's crazy. We were at that car show the other day. If you guys haven't seen that video with all the hypercars, and we were pulling up the hypercar show, and the way that this car drawed attention from everyone around, it was crazy. Look at that. Yo, do you remember the first Fast and Furious movie?
Yeah, this is the one he races.
This is the one he races, isn't it? I was gonna say.
On PCH?
Yeah, yeah. God damn, gorgeous.
And now it's a Berlin out of look. 2 seconds.
Perfect. Wow.
Did you catch the diffuser fins underneath the exhaust?
Oh no, I never seen that.
And you see the diff cover with
Yeah,
the
yeah.
stamped Ferrari on it?
That's fantastic. Wow. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Brought you guys quite a few videos here while I was in California. Let me know what else you guys want to see on our next trip. We'll get some reviews of some pretty crazy cars. My cousin here has quite a bit of a collection from an Audi S8 with the original V10 in it from, I believe it was the Gallardo, right? It came from. And other than that, we have this, which you guys got to see, the Porsche, which you guys got to see. He has a collector E46 M3 with like 20K miles on it, a Maserati Quattroporte, an old SL500, which is absolutely gorgeous. I have some pictures I'll probably throw up for you guys here for each of those cars. And there's probably more I'm forgetting, a couple old E36s and shit like that, right? But chances are by the time I see this guy next time, he'll probably even have a few different ones or have gotten rid of a few, because he switches cars like he switches underwear. So I don't know, every time I come here, there's new cars and the old ones are gone. Like last time I came here, there was an E39 M5 and this wasn't even here and the Porsche wasn't even here. So he keeps switching them up. So we'll see what we got for you guys next time. All right, guys, thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.